Put it in your nose. Put it in your nose. Are you gonna suck the snot out? Here, use that on your nose.
I hate to burst your bubble, but I'm not sure you'll want it to come now that we're all covered with bugs.
Yay, good boy. Say good boy. Harlan. Harlan, look at Mama. Hey, what does Santa say? Harlan, look at Mama. Hey, what does Santa say?
Oh.
Ho, ho, ho. What does a horsey say? What do you say?
Fish, 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 fish.
There you go. Say thank you. You're welcome. Now what does Santa say? What does Santa say? Ho, ho, ho.
Oh. Nay.
The horsey says nay.
Nay.
What does a cow say?
Nay.
What does a monkey say? What about a kitty cat? What's a kitty cat say?
Get that.
What's a kitty cat say? Get that out of your mouth. No, no. What's a kitty cat say? What about a sheep? What's a sheep say? Or a lamb? What's a lamb say? Don't put that in your mouth, Bubba. No, put it back on the bottle. Put it back on the bottle. Good boy. Say good boy. Good boy. No, no, no. Don't put that in your mouth. No, no. Put it back on the bottle. Bubba, put it back on the bottle, please. Will you put it back on the bottle, please? Right there. Thank you.
Daddy, do.
What do you say? Oh, yucky. Yucky. Can you say bye-bye? Can you say bye-bye? Don't put that in your mouth. It's got boogers on it. That's got boogers on it.
Daddy.
Can you say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Go mwah.
Ma.
Mwah. Can you blow kisses? Give me a kiss. Oh, nope. Mommy's just not as excited. Here, give a kiss. Ah. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.